Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best dry erase wheel spinner is probably one of the most versatile and engaging tools you can add to your home, classroom, or office, offering a dynamic way to make decisions, play games, or even create interactive learning experiences. Imagine effortlessly adding a fun and functional element to your daily routine, transforming mundane tasks into exciting opportunities for participation and creativity, all with a simple spin of this innovative device designed to bring clarity and enjoyment to any setting. Number 5. 24-inch heavy-duty spinning prize wheel. Experience effortless spinning with our dual-bearing hub and heavy-duty base. It's designed for a balanced and smooth spin every time, ensuring fair play and maximum excitement. Easily customize your game with 14 dry erase prize slots. Write, erase, and reuse it countless times for logos, numbers, or any creative idea you have. It's perfect for both home and business use. Keep the energy high with built-in clicker studs that allow for ultimate speed control. The engaging sound is guaranteed to attract attention and add thrill to any event. Get everything you need to start playing right away. This kit includes the prize wheel, dry erase marker, and eraser, along with easy-to-follow instructions for quick assembly and storage. We are committed to providing you with a great experience. If you have any questions or issues, our superior customer support is here to assist you every step of the way. What we like. This prize wheel offers a heavy-duty base and dual-bearing hub for an exceptionally smooth and balanced spin every time. Its 14 customizable dry erase slots allow for endless reuse and personalization. If you're looking for a durable and versatile option for trade shows or carnivals that can withstand frequent use, this is the one. What people say. The base is very stable and sturdy. After the plexiglass placement, the spinner works great. The wheel spins smoothly, adding an element of excitement to our games. It's sturdy and built to last, perfect for multiple events. Easy to assemble. Size is perfect for tabletop. We take it to vendor shows and write prizes on it and let the kids spin to win. The kids had a lot of fun spinning it and it held up very well with a lot of kids. Number 4. WinSpin 12 Prize Wheel Classic Series. Introducing the WinSpin 12-inch Prize Wheel Classic Series. This versatile wheel is perfect for a variety of settings, from home parties to classrooms. Its compact tabletop design makes it ideal for small spaces. Use it for gifting, learning, promotions, or just for fun at your next gathering. Experience smoother rotation and more turns with its upgraded bearings. This ensures extended playtime and heightened suspense for everyone. Unleash your creativity with 14 customizable slots. Easily write and erase your own games and prizes on the rewritable acrylic board. Weighing only 2.5 pounds and featuring a detachable stand, it's easy to take anywhere. Anti-slip suction cups keep it stable during spins, while the clicking red pointer adds to the excitement. This prize wheel is perfect for drawing crowds at trade shows, promotional events, carnivals, and parties. Get ready for a fun and engaging experience. What we like. This 12-inch prize wheel is designed for tabletop use, making it perfect for smaller spaces and intimate gatherings. It features upgraded bearings for a smooth rotation and extended playtime. If you need a compact and easily transportable wheel for parties, classrooms, or small promotional events, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Very sturdy and well designed. Super cute and as described. Shipped to me very quickly and the wheel is definitely made of a sturdy material. The wings on the back are made of a thick cardboard. Instructions were pretty clear and it was easy to build. Works great. Perfect size. Number 3. Smartxchoices 24 Spinning Prize Wheel. Experience a professional and sturdy design, built with strong steel frames and skid-resistant rubber feet for ultimate stability. Its tripod base ensures it remains steady, even during intense spins or prolonged use. Customize its height effortlessly, ranging from 45 to 59 inches, thanks to its detachable tripod stand. This feature makes it perfectly portable and adaptable to any event or need. Make it your own with 14 customizable slots, perfect for your logos or text. The included eraser and pen, along with the acrylic surface, allow for quick and easy changes, ensuring it's a hit at any gathering. Build excitement with the clicker between each segment, which helps control the spinning speed. The red pointer's satisfying clicking sound is sure to draw a crowd and add to the fun. Setting it up is a breeze with the included instructions. It's designed with just the right weight to prevent tipping, so you can focus on the excitement. Just remember to tighten the pegs occasionally for continued smooth operation. What we like? This 24-inch prize wheel comes with a sturdy, height-adjustable tripod stand, offering flexibility for various occasions. The dry erase acrylic surface is easy to customize and clean. If you need a professional-looking, adaptable wheel for events like company parties, trade shows, or annual meetings, its adjustable height and stable base are ideal. What people say. Once that cover has been removed, you can very easily use chalk markers. They erase easily and leave no residue. The fit and finish is great. It's really a nice wheel. It's got a great smooth, glossy finish which makes it look much nicer than just a dull plastic base. The base seems very sturdy and the proper size for stability. The thickness of the walls of the base and vertical stand are both very good. It seems like this was built to last for a while. Number 2. 24-inch spinning prize wheel with folding tripod. Unleash your creativity with this 24-inch spinning prize wheel. Its dry erase surface allows you to easily customize and change prize options or logos, making it perfect for repeated use. Don't worry about wobbling. This prize wheel is built on a sturdy 5.5 lb metal tripod with anti-slip suction cups, ensuring it stays solid and stable during every spin. Build excitement with every turn. The red pointer creates an attractive clicking sound as it spins, drawing in attention and adding to the fun. You can even adjust the speed for a fair game. Take the fun anywhere. This prize wheel features a detachable design, making it simple to assemble, disassemble, and store, saving you valuable space. Perfectly suited for any occasion, its height is adjustable from 44 to 62 inches. It's an excellent choice for trade shows, parties, and promotional events to boost engagement. This spinning prize wheel is guaranteed to bring joy and excitement to your next event. It's designed to capture attention and increase participant enthusiasm. What we like? Featuring a folding tripod floor stand and adjustable height, this 24-inch prize wheel offers both stability and portability. Its dry erase surface is easy to customize and reuse. If you prioritize a stable, yet foldable design for easy storage and transport, and need a wheel that can be adjusted for different heights at trade shows or carnivals, this is a great option. What people say. Spins smoothly. Nice colors, shipped fast. Well packaged. It's well made and sturdy on the base. Came with maker and eraser. Super easy to put together. Easy to clean. Great quality. Super easy to assemble, easy to use. Great for parties, carnivals, and gatherings. Number 1. 12-inch heavy-duty spinning prize wheel. This prize wheel features 12 colorful slots that are easy to write on and erase. You can reuse them many times for different events. It is supported by a strong stainless steel base with an anti-slip suction cup. This keeps it stable and prevents wobbling while spinning. Choose between 2 clickers, a wood or a red rubber one, to create different exciting sounds. These sounds attract attention and add to the fun. Assembly is quick with the included instructions and parts. Its detachable design makes it easy to store and transport anywhere. This spin wheel is perfect for attracting crowds and livening up any event. It's ideal for fundraisers, parties, carnivals, and trade shows. What we like? This 12-inch heavy-duty prize wheel boasts a robust iron base for superior stability and comes with dual clicker options for exciting sounds. Its compact size makes it easy to transport. If you're looking for a reliable and engaging tabletop spinner for fundraisers, parties, or trade shows where attracting attention with sound is key, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The base and arm for the wheel are metal and have a nice weight to them that keeps the wheel stable. The pegs are also metal. Nice and sturdy. Easy assembly and easy to use. Very easy to use and wipe off for different events. Very portable as well for different events. Not too large for travel and very sturdy when the wheel is spun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.